Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are well and following all the rules for lockdown. Children, here see on the board, here is a conversation between a girl and a boy. Let's read them. The girl said, "Hello, I am Neha. What is your name?" The boy answering, "Hello, my name is Rohit." Again she is asking him, "Where do you live?" The boy answering her, "I live in Delhi." Now next she again asking him, "Which is your favorite cartoon?" And the boy answering her, "My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry." Children, do you observe the sentences said by Neha and Rohit? Sentences said by Neha are the asking sentences. She is asking to Rohit about him. And the sentences said by Rohit are the telling sentences. He is telling about him. Children, an asking sentence is a question and a telling sentence is a statement. So children, today we are going to learn about statements and question. It is our chapter 3 of English grammar. Children, in the previous chapter, we learned about sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, and a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Now, let's talk about statements. A statement is a sentence that tells us something. A statement is a sentence that tells us something. A statement always ends with a full stop. A statement always ends with a full stop. And here is the full stop. For example, A. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. This sentence begins with the capital letter T and ends with the full stop. And this sentence telling us something. It tells us that the color of the sky is blue. And now sentence B. Sia is reading a book. Sia is reading a book. This sentence begins with the capital letter S and ends with the full stop. And this sentence also telling us that the girl Sia is reading a book. So both the sentences are statements. Next is questions. A question is a sentence that asks something. I repeat, a question is a sentence that asks something. A question always ends with a question mark. I repeat, a question always ends with a question mark, and here is the question mark. Now, for example, how are you? Sentence 1 is, how are you? This sentence ends with a question mark. And now the sentence 2, what is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? This sentence also ends with the question mark, and both the sentence ask something. So these are questions. Statements and questions. Here are some sentences. Read them carefully and put question Q for questions and S for statements in the circle given below. Means to say, if the sentence is a question, then you have to write Q in the circle, and if the sentence is a statement, then you have to write S in the circle. Let's start. Sentence A. The birds are flying in the sky. This sentence ends with a full stop. So it is a statement. But then what we have to write here? S. We will write here S. It is a statement. In sentence B, who is your friend? Who is your friend? This sentence ends with a question mark and it is an asking sentence, so it is a question. So we write here Q. In C, where is your class? Where is your class? Again, this sentence ends with a question mark and it is an asking sentence, so it is also a question. So we write here Q. Now in D, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. This sentence ends with a full stop and this sentence tells us something. So it is a statement. So we will write here S. Now in the last sentence, she gives me a pencil. She gives me a pencil. This sentence ends with a full stop and it's a telling sentence. So it is a statement. So we will write here S. So children, I hope you all have understood difference between statements and questions. That's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Thank you. Have a good day.